Today's project is fixing this mower that has bad gas and hasn't run in like 4 years, so this shall be fun. I looked down the fuel tank on this and there's no fuel, but I take just a whiff and it smells like furniture polish. So I want I have a good feeling that the carburetor is clogged up, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. Not even waste time trying to start this because it's guaranteed to be gummed up. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell the gas already. Got this carburetor up on the bench here. See if we can. Oh, that's bad gas, all right. Oh, she's gummed up bad. Can't see it on camera, but the jet up in there is completely clogged with gunk. This is clogged with gunk. She's clogged up, all right. There we go. That cleaned out. See if I can pull. Oh, it's one of those jets, non-removable. Of course it is. Barrel looks fine in this. Just had some bad gas. Okay, perfect. That's complete. The one good thing I see about this is there's no water in this gas. It's just gone bad and old. I'm going to recommend a air filter replacement for this. Just good enough to, you don't even need it. Just leave it off to start it. Because it looks a little clogged up here, and so that might be probably the problem why it's not running very well. Let's throw some gas in this thing and see if it start up. Do is this brake cable is a little, well, could use a little bit of lubrication. Work down there. Oh yeah, that's better already. Oh yeah, I can see it coming out on the other end of the cable, and that is working a whole lot there. Let's change this oil, but you know, let's do it the easy way and let's pump it out. This is one of these where I have absolutely no clue how much it takes, so we're just going to play the guessing game. This shall be fun. Not on dipstick yet. Let's not put too much. I have done that before and had to pump it back out. That's always fun. Bottom of the full mark. Probably about right there. Let that settle for a while. Okay, so the new air filter just showed up, so let's get that shoved on here. Perfect. Let's also, the air filter also came with a new spark plug, so let's get that installed real quick, if that will come off. Click! That's torque to spec. Let's get this new blade thrown on. It's always a good feeling when the part actually fits, so you don't have to like return it and buy another one. I'm going to do one final test over this machine to make sure everything's working before I send it back to the customer here. So let's hope it starts. It hasn't been started in a couple days here. starts easily. I'm gonna call this unit repaired. This was a super simple repair job, just bad gas. And you know, the drive still works good on this mower and everything. So I'm gonna end this video here. This is a super straightforward repair.